Hi everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be guiding you through how Forever Subli-Light can bring sublimation to light-colored cotton garments in no time. If you were to try applying any regular sublimation paper on cotton apparel, you'd know that the dyes wouldn't survive too long, especially once the apparel has been washed. However, that's not to say that there isn't a sublimation paper that can be transferred on cotton. Forever Subli-Light is an innovative paper which works much like standard sublimation paper, but is specifically designed for transferring the dyes onto white or light-colored cotton substrates in a way that benefits detailed, graphic designs like never before. Subli-Light can also be applied on light polyester, polyblend, and silk fabrics, and even on wooden items. In addition, Subli-Light is available with a glitter finish that's perfect for stylish designs. To be able to print onto Subli-Light with the Sawgrass SG500 and SG1000 printers, you'll first need to enable an edition on Sawgrass Print Manager. Launch SPM, then click on its taskbar icon and navigate to Options, Edition, then choose Enable Custom Edition. On the empty text box in the Activate Edition window, type Forever, then click the Apply button. Click OK twice to allow SPM to restart with the Forever Edition enabled. With this edition ready, load sheets of Subli-Light onto the paper tray of your Sawgrass printer. Now you can send the graphic you'd like to print to Sawgrass Print Manager and choose either Subli-Light No Cut or Subli-Light No Cut Glitter as your paper. Be sure that the mirror option is checked and then proceed to print on SPM. With the transfer ready, it's time to apply it onto a piece of cotton apparel. For Forever Subli-Light, you'll need to set your heat press to 20 to 30 seconds at 338 degrees Fahrenheit with firm pressure. Once your machine is ready, place your apparel on the lower platen, then pre-press it for 5 seconds. Afterwards, place the transfer facing down on the apparel and then press. When the timer hits 0, open the heat press and peel the Subli-Light transfer off by a corner as soon as possible. You've now achieved sublimation on cotton with Forever Subli-Light. To improve your transfer's washability, you can give it another press with a cover sheet for 30 seconds with firm pressure. Parchment paper can provide a matte finish, while a pro-grade non-stick sheet offers a glossy finish for Subli-Light transfers. And for a softer touch, you can stretch the t-shirt gently while it's hot, specifically after removing the cover sheet. To learn more about Forever, Sawgrass, and sublimation in general, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to my expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.